Okay, let me harvest my okra. I see another one over here. Yes, okay. Gotcha. And look at that flower coming in now. Okay, more coming. Let me see if I can get this one here. Oh, you done fell down the back. Gotta get back there and pick you up. Okay, I got you. Okay. 2 okra. Harvest today. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these tomatoes here that are already blushing there and get them in before somebody, one of these critters out here, try to take a bite out of them. I come back and I let the ones that's still green stay just a little bit longer. Let them fully ripen inside. See one over there too. Okay, let me harvest you guys. Ah, my first tomato of the season harvest. Yes, beautiful. Starting to rain out here. I was waiting for this rain yesterday to water my garden, but it's gonna water it today. That's great. Okay, that's a little one. Oh no, somebody already got in. Look at that. Ah, they come out here and get you in time. That's what you gotta do. You gotta beat these pests out here trying to eat your crops up. I got me two good tomatoes. These supposed to be my Creole tomatoes. Okay, I see another one that's blushing. I'm gonna go ahead and get you too. Take you in and let you fully ripen inside before something attack you. Okay, let's see. So this will make me have 3 tomatoes. Yeah, I've covered them up with the shade cloth. It's so hot out here. So I got 3 tomatoes and 2 okras grown in Big Mama's garden.